All right, guys, we're back. Here's Camille.
We're going to be planting some beautiful sunflowers in the corners of this box. And we think they're going to be tall, but we don't know because it came in like a pack that was Save the Bees pack. So we're going to plant them. You take the biggest one because they're the most mature and they might last longer. Well, they might have a better chance of surviving. So now you're going to take... That one's like dead. Say that.
Oh, show some of that root progress.
Wait! This is this one.
Yeah, Camille likes to drop them.
So, it looks like little spiders.
The cool thing about these are, there's like a netting in here, and the dirt is on the inside. And when you first get these, they're pretty compact, and then you add some water. If you add warm water, it expands a little bit quicker. But anyhow, this will expand.
All the roots are
and then you plant a seed in there, and it grows. And as you can see, some nice roots are coming through. They're ready to be planted. And this will all be, it breaks down in the soil throughout its planting season. So as you can see, it doesn't restrict the roots. It'll continue to grow. So Camille's going to pick one of the strongest ones, like she said, and she's going to plant it for you.
It has 4 leaves, so it is probably stronger than the 2-leaf one, and has a lot of roots. And then you're going to take where you want to plant it.
Oh yeah, that's our guard dog, Griffin, over there. Yeah, that's just, yeah. Anyhow.
So we're going to pick a spot, not too close.
Wait. Oh, I was going to try and catch the hummingbird. There's our hummingbird feeder.
So we're going to pick a spot not too close to the wood. It was a bug.
Oh, no bugs.
Not too close to the wood because you don't want it to like, I don't know what it's called. You don't want it to like.
Well, it needs soil, right?
You want to be very gentle. Very gentle. They're little babies. It's like babysitting a plant. Gotta press it gently on the side.
What are you doing?
Press it against the sides. And take some of the more soil. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
So now we need another strong one.
Why do we plant these? Like, why did we come up with this?
One, because they're like really bright and beautiful, and like they come in different colors depending. They come in like red, orange, purple, yellow, of course yellow, and because they remind us of a relative, and because they attract bees, and then when like it's like not growing season anymore, you could like, and they're all dry, you dry them out, and then you could technically make your own sunflower seeds, or you could save the seeds for next gardening season. So like you only have to buy 1 packet of seeds, and if they do last, then you don't have to really buy that many more. Anyways, so we're gonna pick a different one, another strong one. I think this one. But all the roots kind of connect together. Some of them did not make it, like all of these didn't.
Well, those I didn't plant any, but you can tell with these, they didn't really produce like the other ones did.
And some of them are just small because they didn't grow that much. Oh, that one too.
That's why it's nice to plant multiple seeds, even though if you think you're only going to have, 5 sunflowers, start off 10 seeds.
Because some, like, the likely chance, at least like 2 of them aren't going to make it. So, you don't plant 5. Well, you don't say that you want 5 and then you just plant 5, because then what if 2 don't make it? Then it's like, takes longer. So anyways, we're going to take this one with all the roots. It has 4 leaves.
Which is a good start.
We're going to plant it like right here. Not too close to the fence.
Yeah, if we plant it too close to this gate and I move it, then I'll disrupt the roots in there. And especially during this period, you don't want to really mess with the roots too much. Another reason why we plant them in here, I would really love to plant them on the outside of this kennel. I think it would look really pretty, but because of where we live and with the deer like the early blooms of those flowers, and I won't have any sunflowers. So I have to keep them inside the kennel to keep them protected.
So we planted both of them on the corners of this box. And all you have to do is just water them, but not too much, because you could drown the flowers and then they'll just go.
It's possible, but that's why it's important to have good drainage. I do have a really tall box, and some parts of the bottom of this garden box is actually plastic containers. You remember we put all those plastic containers in the bottom, saving them, kind of upcycle. But that helps so I didn't have to put a ton of soil down there.
Yeah, we did that at our house where we took like gallons, like milk gallons, and once you were done, or like pickle jars, or like water bottles if we got them, and like different like types of plastic, instead of just like throwing in the garbage or recycling, we used them for plants, so we didn't have to spend so much money on soil.
That's correct. And then this box right here, this area of the box, we're done with. I will continue to monitor them to, hopefully keep everything alive. And if something kind of dies off, then, I'll replace it with another seed or another growing that I have inside from the house. So there we go.
We grow a lot of vegetables here. Let's say the kale was the one. What?
You.
Oh, the kale, like, even through, like, the whole frostbite season, which we're still not kind of done with that, but through, like, the water, the frostbite, and the harsh weather, it's still, like, living its best life there. It's not brown, it's nice and bright and beautiful.
So real quickly we'll show you, but we'll save that one for another video.
They're beautiful.
All right.